Yeah. Just so I look good for camera like.
Yeah. Stage it.
But then the... Right. What behind them? Who's got rear guard?
Well done.
Go. Left! Left! What's that left? We're going to come back from the fort. Have we got to keep moving as well? We're under fire. That way. That's not an objective. Let's keep moving. Yeah, still getting shot at. Come on. Left! Left! Who's left? Rear! Whoa, under fire. Lads, keep the rear watch. Let's move up with it. Oh, come on. Left the bandy, Rob. Left the bandy.
I know what it is, Josh.
Ow!
You're not under fire, you got to keep moving.
Colin, move!
No, there's another one! There's one in the shagging shed itself.
What's that, mate? Josh, think you can snipe him.
What? I can't.
Fucking hell, mate.
I'm too close now, Rob.
You're the best.
Ah, yeah, I'm not even in way, I'm just getting shot. Hello, Sam. Hello. Shit now. Need him with my top. Okay. Good shot. Moving magazine. Hang on, that side's not coming from. Where it should be coming from.
Can you see on that track?
Yes and no.
Yes, I know he's there, but no. I'm gonna fast swing out ammo.
There were 2 members in that squad. All these guys up at top.
Shit.
We're moving right top now again. It's not the best to push down.
I don't know if there's anyone in the bunker.
I think I have to come out of there.
I don't know, it's a bullet magnet, yes, but it's safe. Get down, left behind us.
He's going around like that for one.
Keep your head down for 2 minutes.
Right, the guy's been medic.
Hold on, mate. Dame, I need you to push up.
Yeah.
Right.
Go off the box behind.
No, mate.
In this bunker they are, in the main one now.
Hold it up.
Wait there in a minute, he's there in a minute.
There's a laugh in that bunker.
Which one, mate?
Closest one.
Is there?
Yeah.
No, I'm out.
I'm sure it's not sleep, mate. Good up.
Yeah, I can see him popping their head up and down. Get an head in there, I'll cover you.
Ready! Ready! Gang!
So where Scott is?
Yeah, you have I just made it.
Yeah, let's go up to Marshall.
Walking on the way to the marshal.
Dead men, they're cheating! Joking.
Dead men walking the mile.
I'm not going to go on that training.
Sure you got me back?
I don't know, more I thought after, more I'll just start.
Sure you got me back?
Right in the face.
Hit!
45 seconds! Out, Vic!
45 seconds! Get out!
Go, go, go! Quick, come on! Come on, last chance! Come on!
Hit!
Oh, nice! Keep going! Come on!